Greetings and welcome to today's episode of AD1000 Microwave Pretty Circuit Board Unleashed. I'm your host Jen, the Regional Sales Manager for Bichen PCB. And today we have an exciting topic to discuss. We'll be diving into the role of the advanced substrates for electronic circuits and exploring the remarkable properties of AD1000, Bichen's capability on AD1000, etc. What sets AD1000 apart from the rest is its Voron glass reinforced PDFE, which provides unparalleled dimensional stability and mechanical robustness. This means that circuits built on AD1000 can withstand demanding conditions, ensuring reliability and regularity. AD1000 features high dielectric constant substrate, which is revolutionizing the field of circuit miniaturization, enabling a new era of power amplifiers, filters, couplers, and more. So let's get started. We'll be taking a deep dive into the data sheets of the remarkable AD1000 substrate. We uncover the impressive electrical, thermal, mechanical, and physical properties of this cutting-edge material. Let's begin by exploring the electrical properties of AD1000. This substrate possesses an exceptional dielectric constant that may vary by thickness. At 1 MHz, the dielectric constant is yet to be determined, while at 10 GHz, it reaches an impressive value of 10.2. In terms of dissipation factor, it exhibits outstanding performance, with value of yet to be determined at 1 MHz and a remarkable 0.0023 at 10 GHz. Another electrical property is the temperature coefficient of dielectric constant, which measures the change in dielectric constant with temperature. AD1000 showcases a temperature coefficient of -380 parts per million per degree C at 10 GHz, indicating the dielectric constant changes significantly with temperature. If your devices or systems rely on a constant electrical performance, we need to give careful attention to the selection of the materials. As per IPCT and 650 2.5.17.1 standards, AD1000 exhibits remarkable volume resistivity values. At C1963519 conditions, it possesses a volume resistivity of 1.4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 9 megacentimeter, showcasing its excellent insulating properties. Moreover, at E24-125 conditions, AD1000 maintains an impressive volume resistivity of 5.36 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 7 megacentimeter. Then the surface resistivity is truly outstanding. At E1963519 conditions, it demonstrates a surface resistivity of 1.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 9 mega, indicating its ability to prevent leakage and ensure reliable insulation. Similarly, at E24 and 125 conditions, it maintains a surface resistivity of 3.16 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 8 mega. According to the IPCT and 650 standards, AD1000 impressively withstands an electrical strength of 622 volts per mil, a dielectric breakdown voltage exceeding 45 kV, and demonstrates impressive R resistance exceeding 180 seconds. AD1000 excels in thermal properties, which are vital for the reliable operation of electronic systems, with a decomposition temperature exceeding 500 degrees Celsius. This substrate can withstand high temperature environments without compromising its integrity. It demonstrates T260, T218A, and T300 value in 60 minutes. AD1000 also exhibits remarkable thermal expansion characteristics, with a CT of 8 parts per million per degree C and 10 parts per million per degree C respectively, and a CT of 20 parts per million per degree C from 50 to 150 degrees Celsius. AD1000 not only showcases exceptional electrical and thermal properties, but also possesses impressive mechanical strength. Its pure strength to cable, even after thermal stress, exceeds 12 parts per inch at elevating temperatures of 150 degrees Celsius. The pure strength remains high at 13.6 parts per inch. The substrate's Young's modulus measures an impressive 200 kilopascals per square inch, indicating its stiffness and resistance to deformation. It also exhibits a flexure strength of 9.9, 0.5 kilopascals per square inch in mostly closed directions, ensuring resilience and durability in demanding applications. AD1000 exhibits an impressive tensile strength of 5.1 kilopascals per square inch in machine directions and 4.3 kilopascals per square inch in the closed direction, highlighting the material's strength and ability to withstand tension forces. It showcases a compressive modulus exceeding 425 kilopascals per square inch, emphasizing the material's ability to maintain its strength and structural integrity, even when subjected to significant compressive loads. Let's explore the physical properties of AD1000. With a water absorption rate of only 0.03%, this substrate demonstrates excellent moisture resistance. Its density at ambient 23 degrees Celsius stands at 3.2 grams per cubic centimeter, ensuring a lightweight yet robust solutions for various electronic applications. Additionally, the thermal conductivity stands at 0.81 watts per meter per Kelvin, facilitating efficient heat dissipation and enhance the overall performance of electronic devices. AD1000 meets the stringent flammability standards, achieving a V0 rating in the UL194 classification. It also excels in laser outgassing tests, with a minimal total mass loss of 0.01%, corrective wearing times of 0.0%, and the water vapor recovery of 0.0% at 125 degrees Celsius, and less than or equal to 10 raised to the power of negative 62. This table showcases our extension PCB manufacturing capability. Conventional double-sided boards, multi-layer boards, and hybrid designs for a combination of technologies are available in-house. AD1000 provides cable widths of 1 ounce and 2 ounces, allowing you to customize the conductivity and carrying capability of your PCB to suit your specific needs. The available dielectric thicknesses include 6 mil, 10.5 mil, 15 mil, 20 mil, 25 mil, and 13 mil to 127 mil, offering flexibility in achieving the desired electrical and mechanical characteristics for your application. Our PCBs can be manufactured in various sizes, up to a maximum of 400 mm by 500 mm, ensuring capability with your specific application. Moreover, you have the freedom to choose from a variety of solder mask colors, including green, black, blue, yellow, red, and more to match your aesthetic preferences and functional requirements. We provide a selection of white surface finishes, including emulsion gold, HASL, emulsion silver, emulsion tin, OSB, bare carbon, pure gold, and the ENEPIG, etc. Displayed on the screen is a type of AD1000 microwave PCB built on 50mm substrates for radar antenna. AD1000 laminate was specifically designed to cater to various applications, including miniaturized circuitry for compact devices like GPS receivers, patch antennas requiring smaller sizes, satellite communication systems, power amplifiers, low-noise amplifiers, low-noise broadband converters, radar modules, and manifolds, aircraft collision avoidance systems, and ground-based radar systems. AD1000 laminate is classified as a soft substrate, displaying a notable resistance to vibration stress. As a result, enables the implementation of miniaturized circuitry without the need for complex processing or special handling, typically associating with first-dry materials like pure ceramic or ceramic hydrocarbon blends. With AD1000, engineers and designers can unlock new possibilities, pushing the boundaries of innovation in various industries. That's all for today's episode of AD1000 Microwave Printed Circuit Board Unleashed. I'm your host Jen, and I hope you enjoy our exploration of the remarkable AD1000 substrate. See you next time.